Hi everyone, welcome to Gunpla, and welcome to another unboxing video. For today, we're gonna unbox the high-grade Cosmic Era ZGMF-X19A, or also known as the Infinite Justice Gundam. This mobile suit unit or this Gundam is in the Gundam Seed Destiny or Mobile Suit Gundam Seed Destiny and is piloted by Atranzala. This model kit was released in May 2020, and this is a parts and color variant of the high-grade Build Diver Re-Rise number 4, which is the Gundam Justice Knight. And this is a remake of the high-grade Gundam Seed number 32 with better articulation and improved proportion. This box is a fairly standard size box, as you can see. If you're wondering, the size of the box is 29.8 length, 18.8 centimeter in height, and 8 centimeter deep. The Infinite Justice Gundam costs around 2,000 yen at the time of this video. And you can see the box art, which is, I guess it's in space, and it looks cool. I like the swoosh effect at the feet there. And it's a high grade, which means it's a 1/144 model kit. And again, it was released in 2020. That's May 2020. So this is a recent model kit at the time of this video. So have a look. This is the box art. It looks really nice. Let's see what's at the side. So this is the side of the box. It shows the front and back view of the model kit. And the actions, articulations here, or any movement. It says that the Phantom 01 is operable. The beam rifle can be mounted onto the waist. And then there's a grapple stinger which you can eject using the wire. So there's a wire included in here inside the model kit. And here are the gimmicks. So you can see up close the gimmicks. So it says the legs and the stomach joints have adopted an articulation gimmick that can move accordingly to the form of the MS. And then underneath that gimmicks, you have the weapons. You have a various armament. You have the rifle, you have the shield, you have the carrier beam shield, so all of those are included inside the box. So the other side of the box is the same as the box art, and the one at the back, it's an action shot, a short description regarding the model kit, and then this side is another box art. So we have the first bag. We're gonna open this later to see the individual runners. Second bag. The third bag. the fourth bag. Fifth bag. And all in all, we have the last bag, which is the sixth bag. So we have 6 bags inside the box. And we have the manual. So here is the manual. So we're gonna open that later when we're opening the runners. And here are the contents of the box. Let's start with the manual. So this is the manual for the Infinite Justice Gundam. So you can see the front view and a nice pose at the front, and then at the back is some of the gimmicks and articulation, and some of the weapons too, as well as the color guide. So you have the lighter pink, darker pink, green, yellow, and silver, as well as the clear blue for the shield. So here you can see it's the Phantom 01, so that's the wing at the back, as well as the high energy beam rifle and the super Lacerta beam saber. This is an awesome pose here at the back. I'm gonna try that once this is built. Here you have the MX 2002 carrier beam shield. So you have that cable there. And then at the top you have the shining edge beam boomerang. So the insides of this is the usual manual, building manual. For high grade, this is the runner list. And then the usual building instruction, as well as the colored parts building instruction here. So that's the manual for the Infinite Justice Gundam. And then we have the Runner A, which includes the lighter pink, silver, green, and yellow parts. You have the parts here for the outer armor, some of the things in the torso, as well as the collar and the head. We have here 2 parts letter B. So this is the B2 runner and B1 runner. It comes in the silver color, and usually these are the joints and inner frame. So it's a duplicate. The B2 is duplicate for probably the inner frames for the arms. Next one is the C runner. So we have 2 parts here. We have C1 and C2, and it comes in the lighter pink color. Again, the C2 is a duplicate of some part of the C1, and the additional part for the C1 is some armor for the back skirt and front skirt, as well as I guess this one is the torso. The next one is the D runners. We have 2 parts for the D runner. We have D1 and D2. D1 is the torso, and D2 is some parts of the joints. And D2 comes in the lighter gray, not silver but lighter gray, and D1 is in the darker gray color. So this is the E runner. Again, we have 2 parts for the E runner. We have the E1 and E2. E2 is a duplicate for probably some parts in the legs. Next is the F runner. We have two F runner. We have F1, which is the weapons and some part of the joints. Next is the runner G. So this is the more darker reddish pink runner, and the parts are for the Phantom 01. So you have the wings and probably the body of it. Lastly, for the runner, we have the clear parts, which is runner H. H2 is the clear blue for the shield, and H1 is the pink one for the sabers and blasters. And the other parts included in the box is the wire. This wire is for the grapple and the foil sticker. One surprising thing about this model kit is that there's no polycaps included, so everything is polystyrene for the joints. So I'm going to check what's that thing's going to look like during the build, and I'm gonna let you know in the review video. And that's the unboxing of the Infinite Justice Gundam, and hope you liked it. So I'm really excited to build this model kit. Stay tuned because I'm gonna make a separate video for a quick build, and I'm gonna link the link on the description. My final notes regarding this model kit is that it's pretty straightforward build with different kinds of additional gimmicks with the Phantom, with the grapple, and the boomerang. I really like the variety of colors that you have in a single model kit. You have the green, you have the yellow, and you have the pink. And I'm really excited to build this. So if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification button so you get notified every time I release a video. And again, thank you for watching.